Hi Crafty friends, Lazy here, the cheeky bum, back with another little haul for you. This time it's JoAnns. They had some Black Friday deals. I think the sale is still going on, honestly. I think most of the Christmas craft stuff is like at least 60% off. I got this stuff on Black Friday. I ordered some online. Half of my order was canceled, but I was able to pick it up in store when I got home from vacation. So I just wanted to show you what I was able to get. Some of these kits are so stinking cute and I'm excited to play with them. I've opened one just kind of look at it, but I'll show you real quick what I got. I did pick up some more of these. I had one of these from last year. I picked up one of these and I did have some gingerbreads, but I picked up a couple more because you can't go wrong with the gingerbread. I think they might be slightly different. Maybe not. Maybe all of these are the same as they were last year, but they're only $1 and they're really cute. I love this little mix. I like the little bottles they come in. They're so easy to jazz up or just gift as is. So I'm glad I picked up more of those. I picked up a couple rolls of this. I think this ended up being like $1.80. I believe. I think so. I don't have the receipts on me because I ordered online. But these ended up being super like reasonable. So I was like, oh, I'm just going to grab two. I really wanted to try to find some that were more like zhuzhed up, but I couldn't find any this year. I think some people found some really good ribbons at TJ Maxx. I think it was TJ Maxx, but I didn't find any this year. Or my TJ Maxx hasn't had any. I haven't been there in a while. But I got this. I think it would be really cute. You could use like Nuvo drops on the buttons if you wanted to. Or like fabric glue, dimensional like puff paint. I think you could put even little jemmies on there if you really wanted to, you know, jazz them up if you're using them on embellishments. You could easily cut these out as individuals if you wanted to, but I thought they were cute. Especially, you get 3 yards per roll. That must be why I got 2, so that I can, you know, gift some, you know, put them in swaps and also, you know, use some as well. So I got those. I was able to pick up a couple of, you know, these ones went viral. I don't remember who did the live, but said that we had to get these and we all went out and got them. So I got 2 of the airmail. These are card making kits. We're going to open these so we can see what's inside. It just says requires glue. But these look so cute. So in this kit, I think this one you get the most, and I think these ended up only being $2.80 if I remember correctly. Like, they were a really good price. So wow, you get a lot in this kit. And more. Is there more? Oh. You get string. So you get some little twine. This is just some examples. These are your envelopes. So you get white, you get craft, and then you get some vellum. Those are pretty. Card-wise, you get these green polka dot ones. You get these red striped ones. I like the red, but the red is like kind of a matted red, like an orangey red. It's not a super red. And then you get pink striped ones. You get rub-on transfers. I love a good rub-on transfer. And then this is all the ephemera, I think, that you get. Ooh, I'm dropping stuff. So I'm guessing you get 2 of each. So you get this sheet right here. You get these. I'm loving the colors. I don't know where this like lime green is coming from. You get this sheet. Well, 2 of that style. You get 2 of this one. Really cute. Love the gold foiling on some of them. I wish more of them had a little bit like some kind of foil or glitter or something, but Get this one. I love the little sentiments. This one. And then this one. So cute. This will be so fun. And I was able to get 2 of them. I think this will make my card making this year easy peasy. Or let's hope it is, right? Let's hope it's easy peasy. I'm going to put this over that way. And then they give you some examples on the back. I've never really used card kits before, so I have some, but I have not played with them. I haven't used them as directed, I guess. And then this one is mini cards. Here's some of the examples they give on this. This one doesn't feel as heavy as the card kits. Is that everything? Yes. So these are the little mini cards you get. So you get this dark green, you get this minty green, pink polka dot, you get this little like ticket style one, and then you get these pink and gold foiled ones. All of the envelopes are white. You get your little instructions, not really instructions, just examples. You get foam squares and then your ephemera. So you get this. I'm guessing that you can just kind of cut this up if you wanted to. These aren't double sheeted, or like 2 of each. I think it's just 1 of each. So you get this one. And then these sheets. Yeah, these ones are a little different than the last one of how they're put together. Then I like all the little stamps and all the little tags. Those are really cute. And then last but not least, this one. So really cute. I figured the little tags would be perfect for, you know, swaps, I don't know, as embellishments. I'm not quite sure, but I got 2 of these as well. Half of them when I ordered online were canceled. Like I was only able to get, I think, 1 of the mini cards or 1 of the airmail, something like that, instead of 2 of each. So half of it was canceled, but I was able, luckily, to pick up in store. Well, I sent my husband in to go pick it up, and he was able to pick them up, and he got like whatever was left. So luckily I was able to do that because it seemed like they were going pretty fast, probably because they were a good deal. So I also got this Advent pocket kit, but I thought that I could use these in other ways as embellishments on tags, stuff like that. And I think this one, I can't remember what, this one was more expensive. It was $5.99 maybe. I'm not quite sure, but it should be because there's more to it. I did kind of sneak peek at this because I was impatient and I wanted to look at something. So you get 2 packs of the foam squares with this one. You get these, oh, you get 2 of these. So these are thickers, or like thickers, and they're foiled. So you get 2 sheets of these. Way more than I thought. Like, you get more than 24 days. I don't know, but you do. And then you get, let's see, 1, 2, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each. So these are double-sided little pockets. So this is one side. This is the other side. Oh, I love the little ho, ho, ho. I love the polka dot. I just like them. I like the prints. I like the colors. I think it'll go really well with like down the chimney. Really any DCWV notepad or Christmas pad because, you know, they're similar. So you only get 2 different designs, I think, of the pockets. So there's this side on this one and this side on this one. And then these are your little inserts. So we have like little pages. We have little ephemera pieces all the way around. Oh, there's only 1 sheet of that. And there's 1 sheet of this. One of this. These are cute. They're really, really cute. You get 1 of these. They're going like every different directions. I love the little bingo cards. Very cute. I like how there's foiling on them. And then this one. These are more like tag-like. I like the little list. So cute. A lot of little gingerbread too. So I could use this for multiple different things. And then these are more like graph paper style sheets. So super cute. I'm glad that I got it. I feel like you get quite a bit. They'll be fun to make. They look easy and they're all right here. So for the price, I don't know if I would pay the full price for them, but the sale price is great. So if you are still able to find these, or if you did find them, good for you. Hopefully you'll still be able to get them, like maybe in stores. I feel like every time I do an online order through JoAnns, some of it is canceled. And I'm still paying shipping, and it makes me mad. But usually when I pick up in store, because I have like the opportunity to go to 2 different ones, my local one doesn't carry one, or like the one that's closest to me never has anything. But the 2 that are about the same distance apart, just in opposite directions, they usually have some. But I think there was like, when I first looked at them, there was only 3 of each. And like when they got all the Christmas stuff, they only had like 3 of everything, like 3 of the Christmas, like the Park Lane paper pads and stuff like that. But so I was able to ended up with 2 of everything except for the advent calendar. I only got 1. So these are a great find. Hopefully I'll be able to find more, because if I can in store, I don't know when I'm going to be able to go shopping next. So I don't know. If I can't find any more, I would definitely pick them up, but I think they're going to be hard to find anymore. But I know that there was some other kits that looked really good too. There was like another card making kit. I think they had like a green box, and there was some other stuff, but this is all I was able to get. So hopefully you found some more stuff. Keep your eye out. I'm going to keep looking. You know, maybe my stores will get boxes late, or maybe they haven't unpacked stuff yet. I don't know. You never know. But if you have any questions, let me know below. If not, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.